Hey everyone, welcome back to our DIY Home Fixes channel. Today, we're diving into a super common problem that can drive anyone crazy: a toilet that's constantly running. Not only is it annoying, but it can waste hundreds of gallons of water and spike your utility bills. Don't worry, though, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix that you can do in under 30 minutes with just a few basic tools. Let's get started. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need a pair of pliers, a sponge or cloth for cleaning, and possibly a replacement flapper valve, which you can pick up at any hardware store for a few bucks. Safety tip: always turn off the water supply before you begin to avoid any messy surprises. Step 1. Locate the shut-off valve, usually found on the wall behind or near the toilet, and turn it clockwise to shut off the water. Step 2. Flush the toilet to drain the water from the tank. This makes it easier to work. Step 3. Carefully remove the tank lid and set it aside. Now, inspect the flapper, which is that rubber seal at the bottom of the tank. If it's worn, dirty, or not seating properly, that's likely the culprit. Step 4. Clean the flapper with your sponge if it's just grimy, or if it's damaged, replace it by unhooking the old one and attaching the new. Don't forget to check the chain connected to the flapper. Adjust it so it's not too slack or too tight, as that can cause the toilet to keep running. Step 5. Once everything is in place, turn the water supply back on and flush the toilet to test. If it stops running smoothly, great job, you've fixed it. If the problem persists, it might be an issue with the fill valve or something more complex, so consider calling a professional plumber. There you have it, folks. You've just saved water, money, and your sanity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.